Bururi uri na unyihu wa uuki, undu uria ucungiriirio ni unyihu wa njuki icigo-ini nyingi guku bururi-ini. Kuringana na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa maundu makonii urimi na mahiu, uhuthiri wa ndawa cia tutambi ni ucungiriirie gukua kwa njuki nyingi, kuona nyingi cia ndawa ici ikoragwo ari thumu.
Especially with the fall armyworm, whereby we use a lot of chemicals in maize to kill the fall armyworm. In the process, we also poisoned the bees. So the reports I'm getting from Baringo is that despite the fact that there was a lot of forage this season because of the nice rains, there was very little honey production because a lot of the bees have been killed.
They should not spray when the bees colonies or the workers are active. And normally that is around this time of the day, around 10, when they are out foraging in the flowers, the spray should not happen. And in the afternoon around 3 to 4 p.m, they should also not spray. Let them spray in the evening or early in the morning when the colonies are still intact.
Kwa ihinda riri, magetha ma uuki bururi-ini ni tani ngiri 14, no thoko ya uuki irabatara makiria ma tani ngiri 30.
Our past indication as early as 2000, we were doing around 14,000 metric tons nationally, and it went up to 2007. We are doing the reports from Ministry of Agriculture indicate we had gone as high as 27,500 metric tons. In 2007, yes. The reports are there, and we project that we should be doing between 30 to 35,000 metric tons in the next 5 years.
Ihinda-ini riu uthiri wa miatu ya tene ukigwetwo ta kihinga kinene kuri arimi a uuki, thirikari riu igithugunda mitaratara iria ingigacirithia urimi uyu guku bururi-ini na oho guteithiriria arimi uria mangihota guthondeka magetha mao na njira itiganite niguo makahota kugia na baita.
There are some hives whereby in the hot season the bees run away because it's too hot. So KALRO is helping the farmers in terms of proper management of the bees, the right hive, planting forage for the bees to be able to forage on, ensuring that the water is not very far. So we are just basically training farmers on basic management practices to enhance productivity and to improve the quality of the honey.
Arimi ni moritio kunyihia uhuthiri wa ndawa cia tutambi niguo kugitira njuki iria kaingi iteithagiriria hari kugacirithia magetha. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.